Hari Om, Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 8, Akshara Brahma Yoga, Imperishable Brahman, verse 23. In the last verse, Bhagavan Krishna clearly indicated what is the way to reach him. You cannot reach him by intelligence, you cannot reach him by any other means. Only one way, Ananya Bhakti, single pointed devotion towards Krishna. That is the only way through which all of us can reach Bhagavan Krishna. No other means. Further, bhakti cannot be defined. Impossible to define, according to me. Each one has his own way of showing bhakti. Only Bhagavan Krishna knows whether our bhakti is a real bhakti or a bogus bhakti. Because internally we want something else. So we try to do something. By showing bhakti, we want something from Bhagavan Krishna. So he knows whether that bhakti is Ananya Bhakti or it is actually intended for something else. That Bhagavan Krishna only knows. Yesterday, we saw the song of Utukadu Venkata Subbayar as an example of bhakti. So he pours out his heart in that song. So I did not sing that song yesterday, even though I explained. I feel something is missing. So even though I am not a Carnatic singer, I decided to sing that song for Bhagavan Krishna. புல்லாய் பிறவி தரவேனும் கண்ண புனிதமான பல கோடி பிறவி தந்தாலும் பிருந்தாவனம் அதில் புல்லாய் பிறவி தரவேனும் புல்லாகினும் நெடுநாள் நில்லாது ஆதலினால் கல்லாய் பிறவி தரவேணுமே ஒரு சிறு கல்லாய் பிறவி தரவேணுமே கண்ணா கமல மலரினைகள் அணைய எனதுள்ளம் புலகித முற்றிடும் அவமற்றிடும் எனவே புல்லாய் பிறவி தரவேணும் ஒரு கணம் உன் பதம் படுமென் மேலே மறுகணம் நான் உயர்வேன் மென்மேலே உன் திருமேனியன் மேலே அமர்ந்திடும் ஒரு காலே உன் திருமேனியன் மேலே அமர்ந்திடும் ஒரு காலே திருமகளென மலரடி பெயர் துணை தொடர்ந்த ராதைக்கும் இடம் தருவேனே திசை திசை எங்கெனும் பரவிடும் குழலிசை மயங்கி வரும் பல கோபியருடனே திசை திசை எங்கெனும் பரவிடும் குழலிசை மயங்கி வரும் பல கோபியருடனே சிறந்த ரசமிகு நடம் நீ ஆடவும் சுருதியொடு லயமிக கலந்து பாடவும் திளைப்பிலே வரும் கலிப்பிலே எனக்கினை யாரென மகிழ்வேனே திளைப்பிலே வரும் கலிப்பிலே எனக்கினை யாரென மகிழ்வேனே தவமிகு சுரரொடு முனிவரும் இயல தனித்த பெரும் பேரடைவேனே தவமிகு சுரரொடு முனிவரும் இயல தனித்த பெரும் பேரடைவேனே எவ்வுயிர்க்கும் உள்கலக்கும் இறைவனே யமுனை துறைவனே எனக்கு புல்லாய் பிறவி தரவேணும். We have already seen the entire meaning. He says, hey Bhagavan, Hare Krishna, you have given me many births, even birth as saint, Muni, Rishi, you would have given. But please give me birth in Vrindavan as a small stone. That is my prayer to you. Hare Krishna. The bhakti flows like tsunami here. That is how the bhakti should. It is one of the examples. Different types of bhaktis are there. Now, verse 23. Verse 23. Yatra kale tvanavrittim avrittim chaiva yoginagam prayata yanti tam kalam Vakshyami Bharadarshava. Anything you take, there are two parts, two ways. You go in main road, somebody will say, sir, take the bypass road. That is one wonderful bypass road is there. You can reach easily. So whenever you go to your house, staircase is there, lift is also there. Two ways. Similarly, if you want to go to foreign countries, two ways are there. One you can go by ship, another by aircraft. Two ways always. Similarly, in life also there are two ways of living. One is extroverted life. Enjoy worldly pleasures. So many things are there. Enjoy. Another is introvert life. Question, who are you? Where from you came? Where are you going? Life is always flickering. So question yourself. Then you realize you take the spiritual path. You want to reach Bhagavan Krishna. Another path. In this verse, Bhagavan Krishna says, after death, some yogis undertake the path of return, and so some yogis undertake the path of no return. Bhagavan Krishna says, hey Arjuna, I will tell you both the paths, path of no return and path of return. Yatra kale tvanavrittim. One is anavrittim, another is avrittim. That is, one is path of no return, another is path of return. I will tell you both the paths. In Vedas and everywhere, it is said there are two margas for the departed soul. One is Uttara Marga and another is Dakshina Marga. So we will see later in the next verses what Bhagavan Krishna says on about both the margas. That is what this verse says. So in this verse, Bhagavan Krishna says, Arjuna, I will tell you both the paths, the path of no return and the path of return, which are undertaken by the yogis, the departed yogis. That is what Bhagavan Krishna says. Verse 23 again. Yatra kale tvanavrittim avrittim chaiva yoginah prayata yanti tam kalam vakshyami bharadarshava. Next verse we will see tomorrow. Hari Om Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu. Narayana 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 Narayana